Hello everyone, how are you all? Are you all fine? Yes? Okay. My name is Jayashree. I'm your EVS teacher, and in today's lecture, we are going to learn a new activity from our STEM book. So, are you all excited to learn a new activity? Okay, so shall we start the activity? Yes? Okay. So, today we are going to do an experiment of leaky roof. Okay, and it is from a STEM book. So, let's have a look at our material. Material we require for activity is ice cream sticks, glue or fevicol, tissue paper, butter paper, foil paper, a glass of water, and a little bit flat plate. This material we required for an leaky roof activity. Take 4 ice cream sticks and put a glue on the edges of these ice cream sticks to make a square. Okay, now put 2 sticks in a standing line and 2 sticks. First apply fevicol or glue on it at the end of the ice cream stick. Now 2 sticks in a standing line and 2 sticks in a sleeping line like this. Stick the edges properly. Again apply fevicol on the edges. Wait for a minute to get it dry. Apply one more stick in a standing line. One more standing line. Again sleeping line. Like this. Now again we'll do standing line here. Keep sticking like this sticks and make at least 8 to 10 layers. You'll get this box or big square. We'll take 2 ice cream sticks and put a glue on it, and we'll stick these ice cream sticks in the box we have made here like this to support our roof. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now take 2 more sticks, apply glue on it and stick it to the other side of box like this. Hold it for a second. Now we'll take one more ice cream stick and stick on it. Like this. Now it is ready. Here we are going to put different roofs and we are going to see whether the roof get leak or not. Take aluminium foil and cut it accordingly. Here now I'm going to fold it in between like this and simply going to put on this box like this. Okay, and here our roof is ready. Now we are going to see whether it will get wet or not when we are going to drop water on it. Okay, house is ready, and here we are going to check whether this roof will protect our house from getting wet or not. Let's have a look. Pour some water on this roof and we'll check whether the roof will get wet or not. Yes, here you can see our roof is not getting wet. So it's a perfect roof. Now we'll take butter paper and make a roof with this butter paper. Here I have kept this butter paper and we'll again pour some water on it and we'll check whether it will get wet or not. And here you can see our roof is not getting wet. So this is also perfect roof. Now we'll try with this tissue paper. Okay, so take this tissue paper and place on our house, and simply again pour some water on it, and just see here, this tissue paper become wet, means it won't work. So this is not a perfect roof. So this is our leaky roof activity, where we have seen the perfect roof which helps to protect our house. So everyone, this was our leaky roof activity. Try it at home. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.